clothes are you washing?
Allie's clothes.
Yeah?
Allie's clothes from Jamaica.
Allie's clothes from Jamaica?
I like your hat. There's going to be bubbles in here.
There's going to be bubbles in there?
Maybe some more bubbles in here.
You want some more bubbles? Well, scoop some water in there. Use Mommy's big cup and scoop some water in there. Put your boat on the water. Now count. How many? 1. Okay, do another one.
2.
Do another one.
3.
Do another one.
4. 5.
What's after 5?
6.
What's after 6?
7.
What's after 7?
8. 9.
You gotta do 10.
I need a lid.
Oh, you need your lid?
I'm all done with that.
Oh, you did. Okay.